Namaskar. I am Dr. Vishal Sharma from India. As per the World Meteorological Organization, carbon dioxide, mainly from fossil fuel, accounted for 80% of the global warming. And that is why environmental protection and second, research in clean energy development are two of the most important concerns nowadays. To protect the environment, we need to understand the connection between human beings and the environment. For example, I have this plant in my hand. What this plant is exhaling, I'm inhaling right now. And what I am exhaling, this plant is inhaling at this very moment. In other words, we can say that one of my lungs is inside this plant. Therefore, if we are able to make people understand this connection, what do you think? Is there any need for the slogan, grow trees and protect the environment? In my view, no, not at all. Therefore, need of the hour is to inculcate this connection among general masses to protect our environment. Now come to the second point, research in clean energy development. I believe that solar photovoltaic has the potential to reduce carbon emission to mitigate climate change. Nowadays, silicon solar cell have captured the entire solar industry. And if you know a little bit of chemistry, we know that silicon, when it comes to direct contact with oxygen, it converts to silicon dioxide, which is an insulator and does not conduct electricity. And of course, it's useless for making solar cells. Therefore, the fabrication process of silicon solar cells is a complicated and expensive one, as we cannot fabricate them in an open atmosphere. Second point is, as per US Department of Energy, the world required 45 trillion kilowatt of electricity in the next 30 years. Based on the current trend in the manufacturing of silicon solar cells, of course, which require very sophisticated and expensive process, it will take another 100 years to produce that much amount of electricity. Now, the open question among all of us is, how the world can achieve net zero target up to 2060? And the answer lies in the development of new and innovative solar technologies. And one of them is printable solar cells. Can you imagine to take printout of the solar cell from your printer at the comfort of your home, and that too in the open atmosphere? Yes, it is possible. And as a Fulbright Climate Fellow at National Renewable Energy Laboratory, Colorado, United States of America, I was very much successful in the development of printable solar photovoltaic devices in the open atmosphere. And I think this is the biggest contribution from my side to the entire humanity. I will end up by saying, to save the environment, change the way we use and make energy. Thank you. Thank you very much.